So here we are at Seething, St Margaret, Remigius, tour of the town. Russell Smith and Phil Lamb here.
Afternoon.
Lovely middle April afternoon, not raining anymore. Let's take a look.
Yeah,
Got a notice board out, church open daily 10 AM to 4 PM. It's coming up to 3 o'clock, I think, isn't it? So we see we've got a round tower there, chancel and nave, thatch roof. So yeah, the tower is Norman.
Yeah.
You see the little slit window about halfway up.
Oh yeah.
Typically Norman window with the limestone surrounds. Lancet window as well on the nave there.
Yeah. Indeed.
So we've got a chancel of 1320.
That's quite early.
The nave is basically Norman. The little north porch there, which I think is 19th century. Yeah. Sort of bulges out of it, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah. Is that little stairwell there going up there, Russell?
Yeah. Definitely.
Isn't it? Look down there. So we can see. Oh, that's it, window. Possibly another block window up there once.
Something else there, wasn't
So the northern window there at one point.
It's on the way up.
Large graveyard.
So ivy.
Look down there. It's the west side of the tower. You see another Norman slit window.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Halfway up. Bell opening, which is got wooden doors. And some brickwork as well at the top there of rebuilding. We've got a south porch which was rebuilt in the 19th century. A lot of decent examples of 18th century gravestones there.
Yeah, definitely.
The angels. There we go. You see the top of the nave there. Looks as though it's like 18th century gilt brick.
And a few times.
Again, another Norman window, slit window.
Oh yes.
And another shuttered window as well. It's thatched. And lots of different repairs, I think, around there. It's the porch. Heavily rebuilt in the 19th century.
Hello there.
So the nave is quite cute looking. Norman. A quick look round here.
On the outside of the church,
Scratch tiles.
Yeah, it's sort of big and sort of fine, isn't it? It's brick there, so could be around the side here sometimes, isn't it?
Could be up one of the
There you go.
porch, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, Russell's found a bit of one.
There you go.
There's a little hole that remains up, possibly one there too. Perpendicular windows. Yeah. Can't see a priest door.
Yeah.
So the porch, early 14th. No, there isn't, is there? Unless it's round the other side. Quite a small east window, isn't there?
Yeah. Quite dark in there, unfortunately.
Yeah. Got the north side of the chancel. Early looking lancet window. You know, the windows looks sort of plain, doesn't it?
Certainly does.
Can't really see much evidence of it being blocked up. There you go. And that's the exterior.
Yeah.
So let's enter church through the south porch.
Yeah. Old door, isn't
We've
it?
got an old door there. Got the 15th century roof taken from the previous porch. This one being rebuilt.
Yeah, very nice old building.
South doorway's 15th century.
Yeah, see some decorations on there. Arches and things here.
Knocker.
Big, isn't it? Yeah.
Very nice.
So inside the door.
Take that for us. So, inside the church, first thing we notice on the north wall of the nave, the medieval wall paintings, Russell.
Yes.
So we've got a Saint Christopher.
You can actually see, because of Christopher, what it actually make it out, this one.
Yeah, you can see his face and the baby Jesus patting his head by the looks of it.
Yeah.
See the original colour as well. Red with some blues and yellows in there.
Very rare. Yeah, see the colour.
It's also originally the entire walls would have been covered in these paintings.
Indeed.
There's quite a lot here.
It is got a lot. It's surprising, actually. Very rare.
Nice, isn't it? Moving a bit further along, we've got some more wall paintings halfway along the wall.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Tremendous stuff, isn't it? The faces have been blotted out by the iconoclasts, the Puritans in the 16th and 17th centuries. Yeah. Let's have survivals like this, a little bit further up, behind the pulpit. Bearded figure.
Yeah.
There he is.
It's a bit of old glass in that top.
Yes, there is some stained glass remnants. Continuing with the paintings. The south wall, got another figure, not so good here.
No, so you can't make out quite so well, can you?
No, not really, no. That one at all. A bit bright on the south wall as well as the sun, which makes it a bit more difficult. We've got like a... Quite sure what's going on there. Somebody playing a harp. See it there. A little round door in there. So, looking west, we got a typically Norman round arched an arch of the Norman period. Quite simple though for Norman style.
Simple thing, isn't it?
Yes, it's probably quite early in the Norman period, that's why. Huge, like organ on stilts by the looks of it.
Modern, I imagine. I can't see any Normans will get up there.
Yeah, I know. How does he get up there? See the back of the door there, the plank door, the 15th century. Looks like heavily restored piscina from the chapel here, basically.
There's no drain in there.
Second air division was here. It's basically Seething.
There's a memorial in the churchyard.
In World War II.
Now an observatory, isn't it? The scene there, Phil?
Consecration cross.
Yeah, it could be.
And we've got some old poppy-headed pensions as well.
Oh, yeah. Been redone, haven't they? The ends have been taken off and reused.
Yeah, not all, just some of the poppy heads.
Got an old... where the tower is, the door to the tower looks quite old as well. That wood looks old, doesn't it?
So yeah, we have the door to the tower here. To age that, I don't think we can get through, can we? So beneath the Norman tower arch. There it is. We haven't got stairs here. We've got actually just a ladder going up. Can't see a door to the tower.
No stairwell.
No, not I can see.
There's the organ.
Little old chest down there.
Yeah. The E&W store, Norwich, New Cossey. That was quite a local builder. Probably electronic.
Go, Russell, play one of your tunes.
Yeah, it's all locked up for me.
So looking across the nave, there's no aisles in this church.
No.
The chancel and the nave and the porch. So we've got the 15th century font.
Yeah, been defaced, I'm afraid. The head's been knocked
Yes,
off.
it has, hasn't it? But otherwise, it's not bad, actually.
No, better than some.
7 sacraments, that's a baptism there.
Yeah, that's the ones on the top, aren't they? Some at the bottom been.
Isn't bad, this one.
No, it's not all of them.
A lot of the features are still there, aren't they?
Yeah. Don't normally see that. There's only a few heads.
Bishop there, then.
Yeah.
Very good. On the stem, got some lines at the bottom there. Old base, you got beer.
That's it, down here.
For burials, put the coffin on it.
Yeah, the old chest there, what's underneath this carpet sort of. No, that is the old one, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Seething Church, Norfolk. It's got a date on it, though, has it?
No. So Dr. Penn.
Rest of the benches look sort of 19th century. They've got poppy heads. I'm not sure if they're. Oh, they
I
look.
think they're more modern.
Yes.
Some not been reused. It's not been reused.
They look as though they've been reused.
Yeah.
You're right. Some of these look a bit older than
You think when you look at it
Victorian.
carefully. Yeah. This particular design.
On here.
Isn't
At the same time, they don't quite look medieval either.
it? No.
That one, perhaps. Nice design, look at that.
Different designs. That's a big one, isn't it?
Some of these.
Nuts.
Seems to be an assortment, but might come from different churches, I imagine. So we've got some medieval stained glass bits and pieces. You see them in the roundels there.
Yeah.
15th century.
In the middle, it's like old, yeah.
It's just fragments. So, on the south side this time, we've steps up to a little opening, which has the stairs to the road.
Yeah, it's still got the wood around it. on the arch,
Unsafe, yeah, looks pretty, yeah, I know. So
Yeah. Colours on it,
look at the doorway, still got the wooden surrounds.
yeah. Surround.
The actual door itself not there.
Right.
And if we step back, we can see the entrance up there. There it is.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is.
It's got a little window as well, look, isn't it?
It has.
Yep.
Yeah.
We've got something here which might have been squint.
Yeah, one on the side. Or kind of niche for a statue, maybe. Yeah.
A reading desk. It's not lecterns there, isn't it? Reading desk. It's quite small. Looks like a 19th century
Pulpit, yeah.
pulpit.
Bottom of the screen looks old.
Yeah. So we've got the screen here,
Yeah.
which is from the late 15th century. You see a lot of the original colours there, but the figures pretty much have disappeared. Look out a bit down there. See all the greens and golds and reds. And mind you, the other parts of the reed screen from the restoration, 1898 restoration. The one in the middle is long gone.
Yeah.
The lower parts are medieval and 15th century.
Panels, bank panels. Yeah. Not bad.
Pretty similar to a lot of the other ones we've seen. Walk through into the chancel. The other side of the reed screen is always a bit bare, isn't it, compared
Definitely.
to the west side. We've got some more benches, poppy heads.
Some grasses here.
Old brasses, perhaps.
Yeah, definitely that one.
Long gone.
Yeah. Isn't it?
17 something.
Yeah.
But this one on the right here, looks like a brass indent.
It's gone. Yeah.
Another fairly old chest. A lot of chests in here.
Yeah, it's the third one we've seen. This is lighting, I guess we've got here.
Going over to the south of the chancel, we've got
That's low, isn't it?
seen this low down, so it means the floor was raised a lot.
A hell of a lot, isn't it?
Much more than usual, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Possibly about 3 feet, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
Next week.
Bit of lot, isn't it?
Credence shelf still in there. Three-forward head and the one level Sedilian. Yeah. Low down, isn't it? There's a slit window over there.
Yeah.
Bow roof, come on. Best bit.
That is, yes.
Best bit of medieval stained glass that we've seen. Figure in there. And above it.